What should I do if property management fixed the dangerous condition after my fall? Document everything as quickly as you can. A repair after a fall may feel like an admission, but in North Carolina, a later repair usually cannot be used by itself to prove negligence. It may still matter for other issues, such as who controlled the area, what was repaired, and whether the dangerous condition was real. Save any photos or videos showing the condition before the repair, and keep the original files if possible. Also take photos after the repair, but label them clearly so there is no confusion. Keep texts, emails, maintenance portal requests, voicemails, incident reports, and any message confirming that management scheduled or completed the repair. Ask for records in a simple, factual way. You can request the incident report, the maintenance request, repair notes, vendor information, and any written confirmation about what was found. Avoid guessing or saying things like you should have seen it or that it was partly your fault. Those comments can be used out of context later. Also preserve proof of your injuries and losses. Keep medical records, bills, medication instructions, work notes, missed work records, and proof of limits on driving or job duties. The key issues are usually whether the hazard was hidden, who controlled the property, whether management knew or should have known about it, and whether the fall caused documented harm.